Hello and welcome back to How It's Done, where we explore the fascinating manufacturing processes behind some of your favorite products. Today we uncover the world of snacks to uncover the secrets behind everyone's beloved Dorito chips. Whether you're enjoying them during movie night or on a road trip, Doritos have captured the heart of snack enthusiasts since their inception in 1960. And their popularity continues to soar. Have you ever wondered how Doritos are made, from sourcing the corn to the final packaging? Join us as we guide you through each step of this intricate process. Sit back, relax, and let's satisfy your curiosity about the production of this iconic snack. The initial phase of production in Doritos chips begins with sourcing and processing corn into masa, a dough derived from cornmeal that serves as the foundational ingredient for the chips. Corn is carefully selected from farms and transported to the manufacturing facility where it undergoes several processing steps to transform it into masa. Initially, the corn is washed and then soaked in water and lime for an extended period to facilitate nixtamalization. This process softens the corn and removes its outer layer, preparing it for grinding. After soaking, the corn is drained and finally ground into masa using specialized machinery, with stringent quality control measures in place to ensure consistency and texture. Monitoring factors such as temperature and moisture levels is crucial to prevent under or overcooking. Once the masa is finally ground, it is transferred to a machine equipped with molds that shape it into the distinctive triangle form of Doritos chips. Maintaining high standards in the masa production process is essential to avoid any irregularities or imperfections that could affect the chips' cooking uniformity or texture, ultimately influencing their taste and overall quality. In summary, the meticulous process of transforming corn into masa forms the very vital initial stage of the production of the Doritos chips, setting the stage for subsequent stops such as frying and flavoring, which we'll explore in the next segment. During the cutting phase, stringent quality checks are implemented to guarantee that the Doritos chips achieve uniformity in size and shape, avoiding variations in thickness. Any chips that do not meet these standards are promptly removed from the production line. Specialized machinery is employed for the cutting process, meticulously designed to handle the delicate masa without causing damage. The cutting blades are regularly sharpened and maintained to ensure optimal efficiency. It's noteworthy that Doritos chips are not limited to the iconic triangle shape. They're also coming in various sizes and shapes, such as rounds, squares, and rectangles, catering to different consumer preferences and product variations. The cutting process involves adjusting the specialized machinery to ensure the masa achieves the desired shape. In summary, shaping and cutting the masa are critical steps in Doritos chip production. The specialized machinery employed ensures the chips maintain a consistent size and shape, essential for the subsequent frying stage. Moving forward, we'll delve into the frying and flavoring process where Doritos chips truly come into their own. Once the chip cuts are sized, they undergo frying in vegetable oil at high temperatures. The air frying process is meticulously monitored to ensure even cooking and prevent burning. Maintaining the optimal oil temperature is crucial. Too low can result in uneven cooking, while too high risks the burning chips and affecting their taste and texture. After frying, the excess oil is drained and the warm chips are immediately seasoned with a blend of spices and flavorings. Seasoning while warm allows the flavors to permeate the chips, giving them their distinctive taste. Doritos chips come in a variety of flavors, such as nacho cheese, cool ranch, and spicy chili, each crafted using unique combinations of spices and flavorings. Their precise recipes for these flavors are closely guarded secrets known only to a select few. During the seasoning process, stringent quality control measures ensure the Doritos chips receive an even coating of high-quality seasoning. Additionally, the chips are meticulously weighed to ensure they meet precise weight specifications. After seasoning, the chips are transferred to a packaging machine where they are sealed in airtight bags to preserve their freshness and ensure high quality. The bags are crafted from top-notch materials designed to shield the chips from air, moisture, and other contaminants. They're also designed for convenience, featuring easy open and resealable mechanisms that allow consumers to enjoy the chips over multiple servings. Once sealed, the bags are packed into sturdy boxes. These boxes undergo careful loading onto trucks and transportation distribution centers worldwide. From there, they are further dispatched to retail stores where consumers can purchase them. Throughout the distribution process, rigorous quality control measures are enforced to safeguard the chips from damage during transit, ensuring they reach stores in pristine condition. Beyond protecting the product, the packaging and distribution stage plays a crucial role in marketing and branding. The bags are visually appealing, adorned with vibrant colors and captivating graphics that attract customers. The stage represents the final step in the production journey of Doritos chips, ensuring they maintain their quality and appeal from factory to store shelves. The widespread popularity of the ongoing success of Doritos chips underscores the intricate and meticulous manufacturing process involved in creating this beloved snack. In essence, producing Doritos chips is a detailed journey comprising several crucial stages, starting from sourcing and processing high-quality corn into masa, followed by shaping and cutting the masa into the iconic triangle shape using specialized machinery. The chips then undergo frying at precise temperatures and are flavored with a blend of spices that give each variant its distinct taste. Once seasoned, the chips are carefully packaged in airtight bags designed to maintain their freshness and protect them from external elements. This packaging stage not only ensures the chips are delivered to stores globally in optimal conditions, but also serves as a key component of the brand's marketing and consumer appeal. Doritos chips owe their appeal to not just their crispy texture and cheesy flavor, but also the meticulous attention to detail at every stage of their production. From selecting top-grade corn to ensuring precise frying and flavoring, each step reflects a commitment to quality and consistency. The next time you enjoy a bag of Doritos, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into creating this iconic snack. Doritos, one of the world's best-selling snacks, has amassed a global following with its diverse range of flavors and bold marketing strategies. Among its top sellers is the Nacho cheese flavor, renowned for its savory, cheesy taste that has become synonymous with the brand. The iconic variant, along with the Cool Ranch and Spicy Nacho, consistently tops sales charts, appealing to a broad spectrum of snack enthusiasts worldwide. However, Doritos has not been without its share of controversies. One notable issue revolves around the use of artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives in its products, which has sparked debates and the health implications of consuming such additives regularly. Critics argue that these ingredients contribute to health concerns such as obesity and cardiovascular disease, prompting calls for more natural alternatives or clearer labeling to inform consumers. Another controversy is centered on Doritos' marketing strategies, which at times has been criticized for targeting children and young adults through aggressive advertising campaigns. Critics contend that such tactics contribute to unhealthy eating habits and may influence dietary choices among vulnerable populations. In response, Doritos and its parent company, PepsiCo, have made efforts to address these concerns by introducing healthier options, reducing sodium content, and promoting transparency in ingredient sourcing. Despite these controversies, Dorito remains a dominant force in the snack industry, continually innovating to meet consumer preferences and evolving dietary trends. The brand's ability to adapt to changing consumer demands while maintaining its core flavors and textures underscores its enduring popularity. As consumers become more health conscious, Doritos' response to these challenges will likely shape its future direction, ensuring it remains a staple snack choice for many years to come. That was all from us today for this video, folks. See you in the next one.